Welcome everyone. Today we're building something simple but a really useful application. A restaurant waitlist manager in C. Whether you're just learning data structures or looking to sharpen your C programming skills, this is a great example of how queues work in real life. So let's dive right in. Imagine this. You walk into a restaurant and there's a line. Customers get added to the waitlist and they're served in the order they came in, just like a queue. In this program, we're going to simulate that using a linked list based queue. Scene 2.
First, first we include some standard headers like studio.h for input and output, studiolib.h for memory allocation, and string.h for string operation. Then we define a constant max underscore name underscore len which limits names to 50 characters. Next, Sindri.
Next, we define a node structure. This reference as customer in the workplace. It the name point the pointer to the next node in the queue. We also have two global pointer. For one was for the to the face for inline and red which point the is list.
X. When a new customer walks in, the add customer function is called. We dynamically allocate memory for a new node, copy the customer's name onto it, and attach it to the end of the queue. If the queue is empty, front and rear both point to this new customer.
To serve a customer, we use serve customer. It removes the customer at the front of the queue and returns their name. If there's no one waiting, it just tells us the queue is empty. Sinum, next.
Want to see how working this good with list function work upon the queue and copies his name is and an array and string. We display the list next on screen.
Now let's talk about the main event, the menu system. The main function runs a loop that repeatedly asks the user to choose one of four options. 1. Add a customer. 2. Serve the next customer. 3. View the waitlist. 4. Exit. The user enter their choice and based on that the program responds accordingly.
And there you have it,
Next.
a fully functioning code. Before that, I would like to explain to you some of the conditionals that we added here. As you can see, we have a lot of different choices. As in, if we fail to get the name of a customer, it will say, fail to add customer memory error, and it will return back to the menu. If not, if there's no customers waiting in line or there's nothing in the waitlist, it will say waitlist is empty, no customer reserved. And another one is if there are waitlists or people are waiting to be served, it's going to show the current waitlist with numbers on it next to the customer's name on it. If there's nothing else to do, then exiting, goodbye. Before that, right now I would like to show you how the code works. For now, I will demonstrate to you. For example, if we see add customers to waitlist, we press 1, then we can enter a customer's name. Let's say his name is Bob. It will say that Bob has been added to the waitlist. Then if we were to see the waitlist right now, press 3, and we show the current waitlist is Bob. Let's add a few more. Let's add another customer. We press 1. We add Alex. Then let's add another one. Let's say it's Sarah. Then we can view the waitlist. We can see that Bob, Alex, and Sarah are in the current waitlist. And to erase all of these, you need to serve the customer. So it will serve in order. First, we serve Bob. Let's see, type 2. Then if you can see the waitlist, Bob is no longer on the waitlist. And we can just serve Alex, serve Sarah. As you can see, now the waitlist is empty. Let's type something different. If there's nothing on the menu, let's say number 6 or number 5. It will say invalid choice, try again. Or if we try to enter a 5, or it could also be numbers. See, serve next customer. Now we can view waitlist, and it says it's empty. Now let's exit. As you can see, it exited. And that is it. A fully functioning restaurant whitelist system in C. We use a linked list to create a dynamic queue and simple functions to manage customers in and out. This project is a good way to practice pointers, memory allocation, and queue behavior. And please, if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe or drop a comment below. If you want to see this expanded with file savings, priorities, or GUI in the future, let us know. And thanks for watching. Until next time, happy coding.